The EU's vision for a swift mobility transformation will fail, unless policymakers change course. Europe's automotive suppliers are facing a deepening crisis. Bankruptcies and factory closures now account for half of job losses across the sector. With 62% of suppliers burdened by overcapacities and rising costs, future job cuts seems inevitable. Profitability remains below the sustainable level for the 6th consecutive year, weakening capacity for renewal and innovation. Investment forecasts through 2030 have been downgraded by 22 billion compared to last year's estimates. So unless EU policymakers rethink their approach, the digital and green transition and the job and technologies that come with it are at a serious risk.